Page 18. Classes of airspace defined. There are 4 classes of airspace in South Africa, which collectively comprise of controlled, advisory, and information airspace that facilitate the movement of VFR and IFR traffic. Class A includes all IFR traffic only above flight level 195. Class C includes airspace such as ATZ, CTR, and TMA, which can accommodate both VFR and IFR traffic. Class F includes airspace that falls outside of controlled airspace, where IFR flights receive traffic advisory service and VFR flights receive flight information service if requested. Class G includes all that uncontrolled airspace from 1,500 feet above ground level up to the lower limit of the Class F airspace, where both VFR and IFR flights receive flight information service if requested.